Hey guys, today we're just doing a showcase on one of my cars. You might have seen that this car is featured in another showcase on my YouTube channel, but the reason why I'm redoing the showcase or making another showcase on the same car is I bought a new computer, and yeah, to offer a better quality for videos on YouTube. So yep, we're just gonna give it a quick look and drive it around and maybe talk about it a bit, and then we shall go to the next YouTube video. Okay, so this car here is ACF powered. Took me about, I think, 2 weeks to build. It's all like fine detail. Oh, not fine detail, but I don't know if you can really see that there's just like a little line there. That's the plates that I've put in. So there's just there's so many plates in here. It's like 500 props. But yeah, this car, I designed it. I didn't design it to any specific car. I just made it, and yeah, it came out really nice actually. I'm pretty sure it looks good. I should probably make a few colors of the same car. Yeah, let's go and give it a drive. So it's ACF powered, its turning is powered by yeah, its turning is powered by E2. Got an E2 chip that does the turning. It's not the fastest thing around, but it is pretty fast. It's a bit drifty. It's nice though, I like it. I'm in max gear, so it's gonna sound a bit like high revs. Yeah, it's quite a nice build, I reckon. It's one of my, I think it's one of my highest prop count cars. You'll probably see a few of my other cars. I'll have a video up soon about my my Land Rover. It's like a cartoonish version of a Land Rover, but it looks still good. A gangster version, I'd say. Nah, it's nice. Yep. So I didn't make that. I did not make the steering there or the rev counters. I had that made by someone else. Just put that in, and I did design the body and put everything together there, but it looks good, I reckon. A lot of people have told me it's a good job. Oh, and by the way, it's hollow suspension, so I can even make it like if I had to, could probably make it like bounce. Yeah, bounce. Wait, let me go actually see if I could do that quickly for you guys. Okay, so if we get a numpad input out, what's the original values? So we got it at 30, 40 is for like climbing, 30 is for gangster mode. We'll set the arrow to still up. So when it's off, we want it to be at 30, and when it's on, it needs to be at around 60, I reckon. Place that there. Test it. Yep, that sounds good. Maybe make it toggle so we can like, whoa, what? Yeah, that's what we want. Okay, cool. So let's wire this up. Okay, it will spaz out because we did change the value to 0 when we disconnected it. Ah man, I don't know where my base plate is. Oh, okay, wait. I think my base plate's over here. Oh, actually that's my chip. That's even better. Okay, so now if we press this button, we've got Oh yeah, check that out. Da, 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 da. Lol. So it's pretty simple to do that. Makes it look sick, eh? I like it actually. It's like we should probably go drive it like that. Have it tested. Oh, and also, don't know if you've seen the gear stick over there, but I didn't make that either. I've got a couple of them there. Oh yeah, check that out. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Oh yeah. I love it. It's awesome. It's like let it drive. It's like da 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 da. Lol. Okay, yeah. So that's my car, and it's just floating away. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Hope you can watch a couple of more of my videos. That will be there will be a lot of videos of Gmod, but there'll also be other games because I don't just play Gmod. Gmod's awesome, but sometimes once you hit the end of building, it gets a little bit like don't know what to build anymore. Yep. So I hope to see you guys again. Please, well, if you want, you can subscribe to see more of my cars and stuff. And if you guys want, please let me know if you need tutorials on how to do things. I could give a lot of tutorials. Got a lot of time. And yep, that's it. Thanks guys for viewing. Goodbye.